IKEA is fast expanding its scope beyond furniture making with a raft of new products unveiled. The first and foremost furniture maker has entered the smart home monitoring turf with three new safety sensors. The new products are named as VALLHORN, PARASOLL, and BADRING and are offering as affordable home monitoring gadgets. All three new IKEA smart home monitoring sensors uses the Zigbee software for its companion app and communications and connectivity protocol. The sensors are designed to work with a fast expanding IKEA Home smart ecosystem. Each product connects to the DIRIGERA hub for a seamless experience. IKEA previously released its first set of smart home equipment including light bulbs, speakers and air purifiers. The new home monitoring gadgets are easy to install and underpins the IKEA philosophy. The IKEA Parasol is a discrete sensor mountable on windows and doors and helps you to monitor wherever an entry point is opened or closed. The slim sensor fills well and offers updates via app notification. The Parasol has a direct comparison with some smart home monitoring sensors from Simply Safe and Smart Things. The VALLHORN is a wireless motion sensor that can be used both indoors and outdoors. It is equipped with light to illuminate the environment when movement is detected. The user can also adjust the light colors and intensity. The IKEA BADRING is designed to monitor water leakage without any area it is placed. It notifies the user via app notification alarms when it detects a leak.